Hello, my name is Ramiro Urreta, and this is my story at Wake Forest. When I first arrived at Wake Forest, I felt very welcome and supported. Wake Forest offers a great variety of activities that help me to insert myself into the Wake community and to get to know my classmates better. From football games, which was something I had never experienced at home, to guest lectures and presentations from some very successful and experienced people in the accounting and the business field in general. The Wake Forest MSA program is very rigorous and challenging, not only to an international student, but to anyone that is looking to master the field of accounting. But thanks to the help of a great faculty, I was able to learn the content and apply to pass my exams, the CPA, and to perform my job at a public accounting firm. In terms of career development, I am really thankful towards Wake Forest for all the help they provided me, and I know that I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for the help. Since the first day I arrived, I was given one-on-one coaching on how to enhance my interview skills. For us international students, it's way harder to find a job because all the regulations that apply when it comes to finding a work visa. But through Wake Forest, thanks to the great recognition it has in the business field, I was able to expand my opportunities and therefore my chances of getting a job, which led me to achieve my goal of finding a job in a great public accounting firm where I am right now. Thank you, Wake.